How cool is this Santa stop sign? I'm going to show you how to make one of these. So first up, we're going to cut two pieces of timber. The first one will be 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters, and that'll be for our base. And then the second one will be 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters, and that'll be for our sign. So now that we've cut our timber, we're going to create our octagon. So it might sound a bit complicated, but all you've got to do is just mark out 10 centimeter spaces on the square. We can connect them, and then we can see our octagon forming. So now that I've marked out my edges, I'm going to cut this square out into an octagon. My edges are a bit rough, so I'm going to give it a quick sand before I keep going. Okay, so this is the fun part. I'm going to paint my sign and my base red, and I'm going to paint the post 3 colors, red, green, and white, but you can choose whatever color you want. So now that the paint's dried, we're going to decorate our sign. I'm going to use some masking tape for the border, and then I'm going to use these stencils for the writing. If there's any mistakes, you can touch it up with just a bit of red paint. Now that the hard work's done, it's time to assemble our Santa sign. I'm going to drill 2mm pilot holes, and then I'm going to secure the base to the post with these countersunk screws. Now I'm going to secure the sign to the front of the pole, and we're nearly finished. Now that we've finished assembling our sign, it's time to add a finishing touch. So there you have it, the perfect sign to make sure Santa stops at your house. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe so you stay up to date in all the latest projects.